back, guys. I'm open making a baby. I'm upset the side man and the husband them and the sugar daddy blessing you. The Valentine's Day here. You understand? And we're back with another hair tutorial. I'm gonna try to put my hair in a ponytail, the sleek ponytail. So my hair wash and everything. I'm kind of flat iron it a little bit, but not that much. I'm flat iron it a little bit, but like my hair I grew for like 2 years now, because from May I cut it, no, March 2018 I cut it. Then so March coming is gonna be 2 years since I've cut my hair, and I'm gonna put a picture right here of how my hair did look. Yeah, I cut my hair and this is how it growing out. It's natural. And this is for the girl them where you're not have it for buy the bundles all the time. And all the time I have money for buy bundles. So we're gonna reuse some hair. We're gonna reuse some old bungles and just put it in a ponytail. This is going to be for my mother because she watches this and she's upset. So mommy, I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial and I'm going to be doing a ponytail. I hope you just skip through and see the ending part. I really appreciate it. I love you, mommy. Big up, Cheryl. Nice, clean self, yeah? Anyways, back to the good girl then. The good things. Like, look at my hair. Let's be honest. I really don't know what I'm going to be doing. I just know someone wants a ponytail. Should I do a front or up? Or should I do the side thing that I see everybody do it? Let's think about it. Should I watch a hair tutorial? Because I know if I could catch it up, so this would have to go here and this would just come up in a one. Or should I do this to the side and then have this come so? Because that would be cute, you know. Alright, let me see if I can watch a video and see what them do my feel for the yama, cause I watch them other video there and then I don't really see what I'm doing. Them just do a regular ponytail and then catch the hair at the side. I gotta just figure my way through it. So a part at the front like me that do a bang, but it's not a bang. And then now this is the bang. Now I'm gonna put me in a ponytail. I want a ponytail boy, yeah, so what am I gonna use? When I really want to use my eco styling gel because I took a make my ear wave it. I'm gonna want that, so I'm gonna use some edge control and see if we can like flip it up. And some spritz. Oh boy. I wonder how the people with the thick ear do them styling, because them style kind of hard still, you know. If you have only by ear, you know, God no. So first I'm gonna start off with the Murray's. I'm gonna start off with this right here. I'm gonna go part my hair down in a section and put edge control. Jesus. No man! This not come out at all. Alright, this is gonna take a while because I forgot to take my time now. So right here, I'm just gonna cut it right here because it took me like 20 minutes to catch my hair to the side, and I'm sure so nobody know wants to sit down for 20 minutes. I catch my hair to the side, so we're gonna go on to something else. Understand? No. Travis! Shut up! So when you have money now, get man, they say. It will be fun. Fun where? Imagine I run them out of the living room and say, yo, go another room, go play some game or something, and make the video. And hear how them a behave. I wonder if I really need that area. Do I need it? Let me see if I can plot it. Come here thick enough, like, I really need that right now. I have my friend step on. This is like my mega go in there and mash up in this. So watch. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this from here. I'm gonna wrap this around from here. So I'm gonna glue. I might just split it out. Woo! I want the back side this. I'm like take one elastic band and like bend it. I really didn't want to put a voiceover right here, but I realized that I took like 20 minutes to do this, so I'm just gonna tell you in a synopsis. What I did right here was glue the first part, the starting part of the track and the ending part of the track, and just wrap it around the braid up to the top. That's what I did. That's all I did. And I don't think nobody wants to see me sit down for 17 minutes to wrap a bunch of tracks on the braid. No, we're not have time for that. People have places and things to do. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part and we're gonna go to the next part, because writers are just simple and easy. Just wrap it around. Alright, so writers are now, what am I do writers are? All I did was, you know, when you get the ponytail, you take a piece from the back and then you spritz it and you wrap it around the ponytail. That's all I did right here. And you can see my nice clean man in the background. Hey babe. Yeah, and some nice clean man. But right, so that's all I did. Take the piece of hair and wrap it around the ponytail. You know that style with the edges of them always do? That's all I'm doing right here. You understand? That's all I did right there. So we'll go on to the next part now. Alright guys. After doing all of that, like catching up my hair and fixing it and ready, now I get an idea. I have this like gold string, right? And I was like, yo, what if I can put this in my ear? So let's see if it's gonna work. I put this gold string around my ear, because my like gold anyways, so might as well. And then I'm gonna cut off the string now, because I don't want all of this. So I'm gonna turn on my flat iron, and now we're gonna just flat iron this. We'll go section by section and just flat iron the hair. Just to make it straight, because I know straight I really want it. Alright, so if we can do the rest. And then I'm gonna finish flat iron this and come back. I'm gonna get it relatively straight now. What I'm gonna do now is curl it. I'm gonna curl it. I burned myself. No. Oh fuck, that hurt. That hurt. I'm gonna say that hurt a while ago. That hurt. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, yo, what the fuck? Ah! Alright, Mega cancel the whole video because me just burned my hand. Me just burned my hand. So let's cancel the whole video. Yeah, I want it like I'm done. I'm done. I can't bother no more. I'm done. I'm done. Like this flat iron burn my hand. And I would like to curl this some more, but I'm done here, man. Let's pack up. Let's go home. I'm back. Enough of the curling iron. Enough of the iron. I just put it right. I gotta do my baby hair. Like, yo, I'm pissed. Can I tell you? Who vex like me? Alright. Oh, what is that? Man, I get a headache right now. Come here, think on the burn. This will give me schoolgirl vibes. Oh, we'll go to the front part. And I have to just like flat iron it. Really flat iron it. Alright. Like right now, I just feel like I just turn off this camera and just put up everything because my finger at me and it hurt. Or we can just left it yourself. We can just left it yourself. I'm not good with this because God no, my hand at me no. Yeah, like whole of my jam done tonight. What is this? Them area not so tall in my love. Me done. I just give her the hairstyle and just call it a night because my and me, I'm just feel like for just give up right so. God no. You know say we're gonna just left it here so. That not gonna work. That not look good. That not good. That not gonna work. This I forgot drop down in my face. This I forgot drop down in my face like this. Like that. This I forgot. I saw this I forgot stay. Like ooh. Ooh. This I forgot drop down here so. For the sake of the video, I'm just gonna drop this here. Hey. No man. This will give me schoolgirl vibes in a man. Wait. This will give me schoolgirl vibes in a. No man, this will give me. Oh, I'm going to Angel's. This will go. No man. No, I'm not gonna finish this. This will give me Angel's vibe. This will give me Angel's vibes. No man, this will give me a vibe. This will give me a buzzing on. No man, this will give me a buzz. This will give me a buzz. This will give me something. Me I work with this. Alright, me I man up and finish this. Can you like this right so? I like this. I'll probably fix them baby ear because them baby ear. This will give me schoolgirl vibes in a man. I'm tired on this. So I can fix that apart. Alright. I'm actually curl this up because me that get vexed. I'm never that putting only by effort. Come and cut my hand. But let's really get this down to backing right now. I'm really fix this right now. And instead I use the flat iron, I'm gonna use something else. That give me a bad bone over the bone. So I'm gonna turn out my one. Yeah man, and we're gonna do this. So what I did right here was just the ponytail. Cause I could have managed the burn and the flat iron. So I'm just one up everything. And you know that I gotta take a minute cause I do them small. So that's what I did. I am done and this is the look. It actually come out way better than I expected because when I put it on I saw I never that to anticipate how that gonna look, and then for bring this down yet so I never know how that look, but I am shocked girl, I like it. So comment down below guys and tell me if I like the look or not. I kind of like it or I just like it, I like it too much, you understand? If you know you don't have the money and they just want a quick hairdo, 1, 2, and you go somewhere, boom, and you want to look like cute. Imagine having my makeup and have that do ya man. Imagine, girl cute. This cute mama like this. And you know you have your little curls and everything. This will give me a little schoolgirl vibes. One of them vibe there to put me in that mood there. Bam. Yeah. So tell me what you guys like. And I'll see you in another video, okay? Okay. I'll see y'all in another video.